Hi everyone, welcome back to Easy Learning English. In today's lesson, we will learn how to use do, does and did in negative and interrogative sentences. All are auxiliary verbs. We use these verbs in simple present and in simple past. Many learners make mistakes with these. Stay tuned till the end to master them. Let's get started. Do, does and did. These three are auxiliary verbs. Okay? Do and does are used in simple present. Did is used in simple past. Okay? So its structure subject plus do not plus base verb. Okay? In negative sentence, subject plus does not plus base verb. Only remember, in simple present, in negative and in interrogative sentences, we use only base verb. Okay? In simple present, in negative, we use do not or don't or does not or doesn't. Right? So let's start simple present. I don't like spicy food. Don't or do not. When we use don't or do not, we use the verb base form of a verb. We don't like play football. Don't like base verb. You don't cook food. Don't and cook base verb. They don't read books. Don't read base verb. That means in simple present, in negative sentences, we use base form of a verb. And we use don't with the subjects I, we, you, they. Okay, they means here students don't read books, plural subjects. Children don't read books. Okay, and people don't read books. In the other hand, singular subjects. He doesn't dance. Doesn't dance, base form of verb. She doesn't paint, base form of verb. It doesn't work, base form of verb. But you remember, doesn't goes with he, she and it with the singular subjects. This is the difference. We have to remember which subjects go with don't, which subjects go with doesn't. And all verbs are only base form of verbs. Okay? Then come to simple past. In simple past, did is the auxiliary verb. In negative sentence, did not or didn't or didn't. Okay? Subject plus did not plus base verb. In simple past also, we use only base verb. Okay? I didn't see him yesterday or I didn't see him yesterday. We didn't go to school yesterday or we did not go to school yesterday. You did not play chess last week. They did not plow the land. He did not sing a song. She did not perform well. It didn't work. Okay? What you get? Did not plus base form of a verb. Okay? Did not. Did is used in past tense, simple past. Did not, simple past, negative sentences. Okay? We use did not in simple past, negative sentence. Did not plus base verb. Base verb, go, play, plow, sing, perform, work. All base form of verbs we use. Okay? Which are the subjects? All kinds of subjects. Agree with didn't. Right? I didn't, we didn't, you didn't, they didn't, he didn't, she didn't, it didn't. Okay? If you enjoy this video, hit the like button. Now learn how to use do, does and did in interrogative sentences in simple present and in simple past. Okay? In simple present, the structures are do plus subject plus base form of a verb, does plus subject plus base form of a verb. You remember, in simple present and in simple past, in both negative and interrogative sentences, only the base form of verbs are used. Okay? Then let's see in sentences. Do you like tea? Do. Okay? To frame questions, we use the auxiliaries at the beginning of the sentences. So, do you like tea? like, base form of a verb. Do we play cricket? Do we, base form of a verb. Do is used in the beginning and the verb is in the main verb is in the base form of a verb. Do you read books? Do, read. Read is base form of a verb. Do they help people? Do, help, base form of a verb. What you get? You know, already I have explained. Do goes with the subjects I have not written I. So I, you, we, they. Okay, it can be do I read books. So do goes with I, we, you and they. Remember, and the verb everywhere in simple present and in simple past in negative and interrogative sentences base form. Right? Then does he play outside? Does goes with he and the verb is base form of a verb. Does she maintain discipline? Does goes with she and the verb main verb is in the base form. Does it work? Does and work is the base form of a verb. What you get? In simple present, interrogative sentences, in negative sentences, we use base form of a verb and some subjects agree with do, some subjects agree with does. What are the subjects? Subjects I, we, you and they agree with do and he, she and it agree with does. This is the difference and main verb is in base form. Okay. Then come to simple past. Did you watch the movie? Here, did. What is the structure? Did plus subject plus base verb. Did you watch the movie? Did in the beginning and watch is the verb, base form of a verb. Did she call you yesterday? Did plus base verb. Did subject then base form of a verb. Did they come last week? Did and come. Come is the base form of a verb. Did he write a book? Did base form of a verb write. Did it work? Did and base form of a verb work. Did I teach the lesson? Did and base form of a verb teach. Did we play chess? Did base form of a verb play. Okay, that means in simple past, already I have told you the subjects in simple past agree with what? Did. All subjects agree with did. So in negative sentences also, did you, did he, did I, did we, did they, did it. This is how we use. Okay. I hope you got the concept. Let's have a look how to avoid common mistakes. I have experienced such mistakes with the students. Does he like coffee? Does he likes coffee? Here subject is C, does is used. I have told you when does comes, what? Not likes, like. So instead of likes, the correct answer is like. Does she like coffee? Because singular subject goes with does and verb always base form of a verb in interrogative and negative sentences. Okay. Did they went to school yesterday? This is one interrogative sentence of simple past. Did is there in interrogative. So verb will be what? Base form. Instead of went, go. Do he play football? Verb is base form of verb, but the subject is third person singular. Takes does, not a do. So does. Does he play football? Do your friend know the answer? Do your friend, singular subject. Okay? With a singular subject, does, not do. No, base form of verb. Did she called you? This is one interrogative simple past sentence. Did plus base form of verb. Did agrees with all kinds of subjects. So the verb should be what? Call, not called. Did she call you? He don't like tea. He don't like tea. He third person singular, not don't, doesn't. Okay. People doesn't obey the rule. People doesn't. People third person plural subject with plural, not doesn't, don't. People don't obey the rule. He didn't eat breakfast. Ate is the simple past verb. Didn't take base form of verb, right? Eat. He didn't eat breakfast. I hope you got the concept clear. Okay? Your support means a lot. So subscribe and keep learning with me. If you find this video helpful, share with others. Thank you.